Bowser.
So cute.
Come on, Bubba. Bowser. How, Bubba? Bowser. How, Bubba? Bowser. Bowser.
This is his first time in like years he's been out here.
You just gotta start it and he'll finish it.
Huh?
You just gotta start it and he'll finish it. Bowser. Hey, Bubba. Bowser. Bowser. Yes, it is. I heard the owner. Bowser. Bowser.
Probably.
He smells JJ. Bowser. I don't know, because it seems like that would be a Bowser to me, because he's... I don't know. Ha.
What you looking at, man?
Come on, Bowser. How, Bowser?
Honestly.
Hang on, JJ.
People on the trampoline with the sprinklers. Stop being annoying.
Bowser. Bowser. How, Bubba? How, Bowser?
Me and Tyler are gonna do this. Here, let JJ do it.
What?
We're gonna do something.
Where are we going now, bro?
We're gonna roll the rocks in that corner so the theater is actually.
Alright.
This one.
I'll be back.
No.
Guys, I'm back. Just gonna go get your balls. Balls. Balls back.
Not you, JJ. Make sure the dogs don't get in. Here, Lucy. Lucy, Lucy. No, hurry, Tyler. No, we're not even going there.
Are they even home? Probably not. There's so many cars here. Oh, with the stupid squeakers over there.
Yeah, someone. Okay.
Like a big old battery.
I'm gonna do two.
Alright guys, we're trying to get the ball back like I told you before. No them. YouTube video with the dog. Told you they had dogs. I swear. I can show you where this guy lives. I don't know where his address is. Guys, look, drug dealers.
There's stuff in there. Someone lives here. I just heard that.
I don't know where we are. Yeah, dude, never mind. Where are you calling? JJ! See you guys, like 11:06:29. I'm not gonna edit that out because I'm a bad kid. Sure they're here because no one's here. Heard my mom. My mom's here.
Huh?
My mom's here. I heard her brakes.
When was she gone?
Told you. Kayla, my mom's here. Guys, bye. This is the end of the video.
Hey, now we can see.
Okay, bye.